Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today I'll be learning how to see device audio files in YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to see the device audio files on your YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. After opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and on this interface tap on the settings button just above help and feedback, and land over here where you can see the downloads and storage option over here, which is the fifth one just below data saving. Tap on downloads and storage over here, and you can see the second option here is says guys just below the storage, it says show device files, and it also says show all audio files on your device. Make sure to turn the toggle icon at the right side of that device turned on like this, and let's tap on allow. And with that being done, guys, after the toggle icon has been turned on, all of your audio files on your device will be shown on your YouTube Music app as well, and your device audio files will be available on the YouTube Music app at the library. We can see on the home screen, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen there is the library available for us. Tap on the library button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can see, guys, currently we are on the library section of the YouTube Music app at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the library at the top left corner of the screen, and when this appears, tap on the device files over here, and all of your devices audio files will be shown to you on your YouTube Music app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to see device audio files on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.